नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today we are going to discuss spinal poisons and Nux vomica. Spinal poisons are basically those poisons which have special affinity towards the spinal system vertebra. The most common spinal poison is Nux vomica or Strychnos nux vomica. Strychnine or Cochila is a powerful alkaloid which is obtained from the seed of Strychnus nux vomica and other species of Strychnos. The seeds of nux vomica in the ripe fruit are poisonous. It occurs as colorless, odorless, rhombic prism, bitter taste, having the active ingredients are strychnine and brucine. The seeds also contain glucoside logenin and the bark contains only brucine. If swallowed uncrushed, symptoms are usually not developed as it is not dissolved and it is passed entirely in the feces. But when crushed, seeds are taken, the symptoms develops and are delayed for an hour to more. If the alkaloid is swallowed, the symptoms occur very rapidly. It produces bitter taste in the mouth with sense of uneasiness and restlessness, feeling of suffocation and dysphagia. The conversion preceded by increased acuity of perception, increased rigidity of muscles, and muscular twitchings. At first, convulsions are clonic but eventually become tonic. During the convulsions, the face is cyanosed with anxious look, staring eyes, prominent eyeballs, and dilated pupils. In between the convulsions, the muscles are completely relaxed and the patient looks well but very exhausted, and the breathing is normal. The cyanosis lessens, the cyanosis decreases, cold perspirations cover skin, dilated pupils may contract after 5 to 15 minutes or on slightest impulse. For example, a sudden noise, a current of air, or gently touching the patient can start another convulsion. Rhesus sardonicus results from contraction of the jaws and facial muscles in which the corner of mouth are drawn back. The mouth is covered with blood-stained froth. The body arches in hyperextension, resulting into opisthotonous position. The whole body becomes rigid, attending a bow-like form. The consciousness is not lost and the mind remains clear till the death. In fatal cases, convulsions comes very rapidly one after another, and with each attack there is increase in severity and duration. Death usually occurs after 4 to 5 convulsions. Fatal dose is 50 to 100 mg or 1 crush seed, and fatal period is 1 to 2 hours. The first step for the treatment of nux vomica poisoning is to control convulsions, and for that diazepam, then phenobarbital is given. Shift the patient in a dark and silent room. Short-acting barbiturates are useful. Gastric lavage, activated charcoal or tannic acid, acidify the urine, and symptomatic treatment. Postmortem findings are not characteristic. Rigor mortis appears early, and there may be sign of asphyxia. Extravasated blood may be found in the muscle. The mucosa of the stomach and duodenum may show patches of ecchymosis or congestion. The lung, liver, kidney, brain, and spinal cords are congested. Usually, its poisoning is homicidal, but suicidal poisoning is rare due to painful death. Accidental poisoning can also occur. It is also used as cattle poison, arrow poison, and as an aphrodisiac. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.